Hello, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. So we have the November junk journal project with me ready. I am going to be just going over it with you, letting you know what we're making, giving you the links in the description box below so you can purchase it. So I asked all of you for the November junk journal project with me that we do. I think I have ink all over my hands again. Which did you want to do, Christmas or something else? And it seemed like you guys wanted to do Christmas, so that's what we'll be doing, a Christmas theme. And this is going to be a junk journal Christmas card. So there's a limited number available. I think I only have like 18 or 19 of these available because of the supplies I had to purchase for this. So it is this craft card envelope and then card. And then I'm going to stitch some, what are those called? Snowflakes down the side here. So you'll get, this is like pretty much exactly what you'll get. So this will be the base. And then you will get the pages. There's 4 pages. So if you fold them in half, that's 16 pages. We don't want this too thick because we want the option to be able to mail it. So these 2 images here are from Digital Curio, and she sent these to me to so I could use them for this project for you guys. We have this one, which is the Coventry Carol. Beautiful, beautiful. And then the Happy Christmas comes once more. And then on the back, I have used some Glimmer Mist in the color Tin Can, so it's silvery and glimmery. And I just kind of sprayed over a Tim Holtz Christmas stencil. So when you fold this, it'll be folded here in the middle, and you'll have really pretty glimmery glitter, not glittery, but glimmery holly and stuff like that on the other side. So we'll be cutting those down, and then 2 of my coffee dyed pages, and we'll be making a little mini signature to put inside this Christmas card. That'll be the base, and then you will also get the designed library card that I'm printed on cardstock. So I used these really cute vintage reindeer from Digital Curio, and then some other elements, these hand-drawn holly and the library card from Pixel Scrapper. And I designed this little library card, and we are going to either put it in the back or clip it somewhere in, or even on the front if you wanted to, or we could even use it to decorate the envelope. There's going to be lots of different options, but it is on a cardstock, so if you decide to just cut it out and clip it somewhere or whatever, you'll have it on cardstock. Then you will also get a page of these Days Until Christmas labels that I made. I used 2 different elements from Pixel Scrapper and put them together in Photoshop. And you get 9 of them. Probably more than you need for this. You might only want to put 1 or 2 or 3 in here, but then you'll have a few extra for your December daily or for other Christmas projects. And I thought that was really cute. You can write in the numbers. So you'll get an entire page, 9 of those. And then you will get a little cute, tiny craft bag. I got these at Tuesday Morning, and that will go, you know, somewhere. We'll decide when we're doing it where we want that, and we can stick like little goodies or things like that in there for the recipient. You will get a cover image that I designed, and it is featuring a lovely floral Christmas bouquet from Digital Curio. That's this in the middle. I thought it was just so beautiful. And then I just have some elements here. I think they're from Pixabay. There's a frame and there's a canvas, and I changed the color of the canvas and all of that. And then this beautiful white frame. And so my idea is to have that on the front, but we could use it somewhere else if you wanted to. So a cover image. You'll also get a page of Christmas phrases, and they are using a typewriter font, and this is just on plain copy paper, and you'll have the option to choose. We're not going to use all of these, but you can choose depending upon what you like. It says Christmas cheer, ho ho ho, jingle all the way, up on the rooftop, carol of the bells, holiday wishes, Merry Christmas, I love Christmas, friends and family, trim the tree, winter wonderland, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, love was born, Jesus is the reason for the season, wise men still seek him, follow the star, in my heart, wish upon a star, cozy snuggles, and merry and bright. So you could go more religious if you want, or you can go more generic. There's lots of different options, and we can put one on the cover and on different pages and use it. We're going to use a few of these to decorate. The rest you can use in other Christmas projects. So you get an entire page of those phrases, and then you get, I have a new ephemera pack, and you get a page or 9 images, and they're going to be random. I'll show you all of them. But here's what I have in my kit. So I have the shepherds looking at the star that they're going to follow to see the baby Jesus. I have a little vintage book page about the nativity. I have these cute little baby elves that says, "By this little card, you'll see how nimble Nix can be." Just cute little vintage postcard. Some little vintage illustrations of Christmas animals here and here as well. And then a little Christmas tree, Christmas greetings, and a Merry Christmas with some deer, and then this beautiful vintage package that says Merry Christmas. This is printed on 110-pound ivory cardstock. So you'll get a random page that we will cut up and use as ephemera throughout. But if you want the entire kit, I also have the entire ephemera pack on my site, so you can get all 45 images, and here's the rest of them. So I'll just show you those, and I'll have the links to this below too, and I will offer it digitally, and I will offer it printed like this on 110-pound cardstock. So I tried to give you lots and lots of different options. So you have some sentiments, and I've used images, and I'll put the list on the listing or on the description box below, but I've used Graphics Fairy, I've used RawPixel, I've used Pixabay and Pixel Scrapper. There might be 1 or 2 other ones. Free vintage illustrations. I've just spent time curating my favorite Christmas images from across the internet that are Creative Commons or public domain, so you don't have to worry about using these in your journal. And if you buy the digital version, you can print them as many times as you want and try them on different papers. I wish I had, I used to work at Staples Copy and Print Center, and we had this incredible gold and silver paper that was just so shiny and so beautiful, and I would love to print this on that silver paper. I don't have any of that. I'm not even sure where I could get it. I'm sure I could get some on Amazon, but if you have different types of paper, you know, you can print it on just 20-pound cardstock and use these for collage images, copy paper, so it's really thin and flimsy, and then you can use them for collaging, or you can print them on white cardstock, different colors of cardstock, so you can try different effects. There's little Christmas recipes, little Christmas cards, Christmas menus. Here's little jingle bells, Santas, vintage like postcards and calling cards. I love this one. It says Happy Christmas Tide, little Victorian flowers, the cute little Christmas girl and her bunny. Beautiful, beautiful images. May Santa bring you a very joyous Christmas. Beautiful nativity and the little angels with the baby Jesus. So this really has something for everyone. I tried to do lots of different styles, so that's available as well. So you will also get, okay, so that was the Christmas Cheer. It's called Christmas Cheer Ephemera Pack. The links for that will be below too. Back to our journal project. So you'll only get 1 page of that in your journal kit. And I will say this, you can put in the description box below if for some reason you don't want any of the religious images, you don't want any of the nativity. You know, I'm a Christian and I love to add those to my journals, but I understand that not everybody is. And if that is something you don't want, you can put that in the description box below. And when you purchase this kit, I will make sure that your page does not have that. On the flip side, if you are a Christian and you really, or you know, you don't have to be a Christian to enjoy the nativity story. If you like traditional Christmas, or if you're a Christian and want the nativity story, you can put that in the description box, in your little, not your description box, you guys, my words, they're like 5 miles ahead of me right now. You can put that in the notes section of your order, and I'll make sure that you get at least a couple of those on your page. So you're also going to get a little baggie. We don't have a ton of embellishments for this because we don't want it really thick and heavy. We want to be able to easily mail it. We want to be able to put 2 stamps on it, drop it in the mail, send it to someone we love. So what you're going to be getting is a little candy cane charm, and it's got like little glitter on it. It's so cute. And then a little bulb pin. You're going to get a wood piece that is a snowflake. You're going to get some kind of binding embroidery thread or twine or something to bind the little book together. You're going to get 3 of these like iridescent snowflakes. Get 3 of those. You're going to get 2 journal cards, and they'll be random, but I have this one that says Merry and Bright and Merry Christmas. And then this one says Rudolph, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. And then it says the stockings were hung by the chimney with care, but yours will be different. You'll get 2. You'll get a little chalkboard sticker that says Merry Christmas. And then you'll get a little piece of Christmas. You'll get these same pieces. You'll get like a Christmas ribbon, a green ribbon, and some white eyelet lace. They're not too heavy or thick, so we can do a little bit of embellishing with them without adding to the thickness. You'll get a little random snowman sticker. I have a couple different ones. And then you will get 2 pieces of ephemera or tags. I have Softly Falls the Snow and Wishing You a Very Merry Christmas, but you'll get 2 different ones. So that is everything that you will get, and I will list in the description box of the Etsy listing everything you will get as well. So you can go over there and look, and you don't have to rewatch this video if you were wondering. I also wanted to make this a little bit smaller than most of my kits so that I could make the price just a little bit more affordable. I know that if you're like me, you want to stay on a budget this time of year so that you can afford everything you want to for your loved ones. And so hopefully this will be a good price range for you guys. And it's a little bit cheaper than some of my big journal kits. There's still a lot here, and you won't use it all. I'm sure you'll have a little bit left over perhaps. But I hope you enjoy what I came up with, and I can't wait to make this for you in the next few weeks. So get your order in so I can get them together, get them out to you, and we can make this lovely project together. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. That way you will be notified when the video is live of me actually putting this entire thing together and showing you my ideas and collaging and things like that.